The High Court in Kampala has delivered a verdict in the case involving the Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Shaban Ramadan Mubajje, reaffirming that Mubajje remains the legitimate leader of Uganda's Muslim community.
I'm
happy to inform you that last evening, High Court Judge Dr. Douglas Singizakarekona issued his judgment in all applications in a consolidated manner.
The case involved individuals such as Wabiri Yudaya, Bohan Namanya, and Hussein Simbwa, who had accused the Mufti and Uganda Muslim Supreme Council of wrongdoing, seeking to remove Mubajje from his leadership position. The court's verdict brings clarity and closure to this long-standing dispute. Al-Hajji Ssekyanzi Abbas Muluubya addressed the media after the ruling, expressing gratitude for the judgment. He pointed out that the decision was vital in preserving the unity of the Muslim community, noting that those behind the false accusations had an agenda to destabilize Islam in Uganda.
And he calls upon us as Muslims to always endeavor to resolve our issues internally first before going outside. That is the ruling of the court. In the same ruling, the judge has set aside all applications, including an order that has been flying around, purportedly removing His Eminence the Mufti from office.
Ssekyanzi emphasized that the court's ruling made it clear that the Muslim community must refrain from using legal channels to voice grievances in the manner that undermines the leadership. He stressed the need to restore peace and unity within the community.
The application gives room for reconciliation for Muslims as brothers because he cites the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council Constitution, Article 28, that provides for the Muslims Arbitration Council. And he calls upon us as Muslims to always endeavor to resolve our issues internally first before going outside.
He further added that the ruling serves as a stern reminder that actions that violate the law, particularly those aimed at undermining the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council leadership, will not be tolerated.
To follow the law and be obedient to the judgment of court, and if you're a Muslim, to come back to Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. This is a place for all Muslims.
As a result, individuals who previously challenged the Mufti's authority, including former Deputy Mufti Sheikh Abdallah Semambo, are expected to follow legal procedures moving forward. The judgment strengthens the call for unity and adherence to the legal processes within the Muslim community.
To inform all those who have been using Uganda Muslim Supreme Council stationery, I want to particularly single out the individual called Issa Gule, who has been writing these letters, to stop, because this is now a criminality.
Muslims gathered at the Gaddafi Mosque in Old Kampala to celebrate the court's decision. The ruling has been praised by many as a step forward to ensure peace and unity within Uganda's Muslim community.
Allah owekitiibwa atutuusizza ku nkomerero y'ebintu bino eby'eggangu.
Basanyufu nnyo, tuli basanyufu, bannange tuli basibalina bwe tuwulira.
Njozaayoza Uganda Muslim Supreme Council okubeera nti tutuuse ku buwanguzi.
Story compiled by Jamilu Sekaja for UBC News.